Here's a retake of this Otis 300 DFE traction lift at. We'll get the location in a minute. Well, at least it has the original outside, but inside's got one to crack. But it has Dewhurst, which I like. I also do like the Otilec indicator. to 112 Queen Street. 3's locked, 2's locked, 1. 1 is as high as we go. We'll do a cab view. With number 1, maximum load 1150 kilos, 17 persons. But in the inside's got blue Dewhurst US 96. Most people don't like Dewhurst, I'm not one of them. I find it quite interesting. Machine number 31E7890. Watch this. Just flickers. Like if I push and hold the 3, look, that's what it does. See on the other panel? It flickers. Do a run down to ground and end it. Here's the Otis badge. I do not call that old because it's, I don't know, the font, it could be like Arial or Helvetica, but the old Otis badge, I don't know what font it is. But if someone could let me know what the old Otis badge is, that would be great. But at least the outside still has it. Oh, white. White, red for up, white for down. There it goes. That's it.